everyone, my name is Elijah. I want to show my Angry Bird clay collection. First up we have red bird. Next up we have another red bird. And next up we have Super Space Red Bird. Next up we have Luke Skywalker bird. Next up we have Luke Skywalker bird. Next up we have Yellow bird. Next up we have Laser bird.
You're so fast.
Why? Next up we have Han Solo bird. And next up we have Blue bird. And next up we have Lightning bird. And next up we have Egg. And next up we have Blue bird. Next up we have Wendy bird. Next up we have Bird egg. And next up we have Space egg. Wait, it's not getting out. Next up we have Space egg. And next up we have Green tiny bird. And next up we have Ice bird. And next up we have Green bird. And next up we have Space Green bird. And next up we have a Blue robot. And next up we have Yellow robot. And next up we have Jackpack robot. And next up we have Blue bird. And next up we have Pink Farm bird. And next up we have Fire Bomb bird. And next up we have Obi-Wan Kenobi. Next up we have an Obi-Wan Kenobi Jedi Knight. And next up we have Grass birds. Next up, wait, iPad. Next up we have Pink bird. And next up we have big floater bird and small floater bird. Small floater bird. Next up we have orange bird. Next up we have Clash Bomb bird. Next up we have missile. And next up we have a Poo Poo bird. And next up we have Automatic robot. And next up we have C3PO. Next up we have Purple bird. Next up and the final one is Blue bird. Mama, finish.
Good. Press the one and press.
I can't. I'm too far.
Okay.
That's our Angry Bird clay collection.
Did you say thank you?